The Egan Hotel is one of Crowley's oldest and most historical buildings. The owner tells me he's gradually making repairs. Lazar Gielan, the owner of the hotel, says once upon a time, many affluent people stayed here.
It opened around the end of 1913, and it rented rooms till 1960. And it was one of the premier hotels in Crowley, and I'd like to one day see it come back that way.
Gielan says there's a registry with a list of historical guest names.
Huey Long was one of them. The New York Yankees, when they came to Crowley in 1921 to play the Indianapolis Hoosiers, they stayed here.
The Egan Hotel was listed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1982. Now, Gielan says he hopes it will become a boutique hotel.
Right now I'm working on painting and painting the windows and the walls on the outside, restoring the outside, caulking and patching.
Some people say the 38-room hotel could attract more people to Crowley.
Yeah, so we're hoping there's going to be a restaurant in it, which would be really fun to eat there, and hopefully people will stay on top and generate some business in our storefront.
Others say the Egan Hotel is a spooky attraction.
I enjoy that, because I never believed in spirits. But between the Opera House and this hotel, we've had our eventful times, let me put it that way.
In Crowley, Darcy Ortiz, KATC TV3.